Let's explore how to effectively merge into heavy traffic using a merge lane. In this scenario, we are approaching a large intersection with a right merge lane. As you approach the elbow of the curve to enter the merge lane, be sure to look for and yield to any pedestrians. Next, begin scanning the intersection, left, center, and right, to assess the flow of traffic. In this situation, traffic is coming from the left. Proceed slowly through the turn while searching for a gap in the traffic. Once you identify a gap, use the merge lane to accelerate to the speed of traffic. Then, we perform a regular lane change. Check your mirrors, check your blind spot, and accelerate into the lane. After merging into traffic, re-establish a 4-second following distance from the vehicle ahead. Now, let's review it in real time. Keep in mind that this is an advanced Level 4 master driver skill. This maneuver relies heavily on timing and recognizing gaps in traffic. Imagine yourself in the driver's seat, scanning ahead, and then using your driver's side mirror to look back to the left for any approaching vehicles.